all that it takes to break up the trust that we made. I'm open to changing my ways this time. This time.
Pinangako mo naman magbabago ka na? Hindi eh, kasi
as long as the fire doesn't fade away. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name. Yeah, just call my name.
Buena Vista.
Can't forgiveness mend what we've torn? A chance to rebuild what was worn. With honesty guiding my stride this time. No, just call my name. Tell me you're never leaving, won't you stay?
Sa lahat! Good on Rapido, one of the admins for HBCP, and partner mo ngayon?
Chanel Ceron, admin din po ka ng Quezon City. Retrofit, Hot Wheels, Hot Dog, Bigatin Insurance.
And also our concessionaires today.
Good afternoon sa lahat. I'm Nathan Cruz, former President of HBCP and also founder of HBCP. Thank you for supporting us, especially sa mga sponsors natin, saka sa mga new sponsors, kay Sir Jeff Balbulin, Sir Mandy.
Thank you nga pala sa lahat. Number one sa mga sponsors po natin, maraming salamat. At nagagala kami, alam no, medyo mainit pa, mamaya darating pa yung iba. And sa lahat ng sponsors, hindi ko siya may isa-isa sa pero number one, Valvoline. Malaking bagay po na sponsor niyo po kami. Thank you very much po sa lahat.
ilalim.
Plastic.
Na ginawa na yung taon, and hopefully we will be continuing this service this year. All right. Next. Alright, ano ba yung mga inatindan mong event ngayon to? Drunk attack, alright. Hindi ko alam yun eh, pang city driving lang ako. Next! Number 0! Nasaan na yun? Bigyan mo na ng ano. Bigyan mo.
Magbibigay naman naman. Palista po, atin.
Palista po.
At
4-0-40.
number 44.
Wala. Okay.
Isama na tayo. May
Ano?